Brian from Trident Cryo, calling you from the deep south of Mississippi in my very fast glasses. It's a southern thing. Anyways, we wanted to make this video for you to show you what we've been up to since January. We have 2 new systems coming out in the very soon future. One is going to be the Eco, which will be a full body electric system for $65,000, and the new Mark III. We've been copied before and we will be copied again.